Now the thing about peas is they do need something to climb on. So as you can see these little peas here, and there's little tendrils around the outside, they need a little framework to hold on to. So they end up growing like this, which is quite floppy. And as you can see, they're reaching out for things to hold on to. Now you can go out and buy a lot of expensive types of frameworks for peas, but personally speaking, I just use old twigs. Getting hold of some twigs like this that you may have in the garden, but what I'm looking at is something that goes into the ground that these little tendrils will be able to climb through and gain a bit of support. Okay. Now peas are so very easy. You can just push the pea seed straight into the ground and they'll germinate quite well within that area, or you can pre-germinate them in your own greenhouse or on your kitchen windowsill. And with this framework I'm going to plant them around and in here, so the tendrils are just going to use this as a framework. It saves a lot of money. I think it looks really rustic as well, and it's going to be perfect for these little peas. So there you have it. The peas will grow and use the framework of branches to be able to grow through, which is going to be perfect for you to be able to reach in and pick. The secret is never use any branches that are thorny, otherwise it's a nightmare to harvest. But dry branches like this are perfect to create your own framework. For more great information, visit my website, daviddomoney.com.